I think the favorite thing I've heard so far is that they like my hair better on the show than they do in real life.
Oh, that they hated me. It's always fun to be a villain.
We meet on Tuesday night to watch. We hike on Wednesday to talk about it. I thought that was so cool. It was crime night. They dubbed Tuesday night crime night.
What's up? So I think what I'm most looking forward to, like most of the audience is looking forward to, is like what's going to happen with Anthony, Talia, Gracie. You know, we don't know. That's probably number one. And then number two, let's see. Number two, I want to know more of who Anthony is, like what his backstory is, like who his parents are. You know, just kind of get a more of a feel of him, and then also just curious to see how he grows more into himself, right? And acquires that work-life balance. That's what I hope to see in season 2. You know, more of that.
Hey everybody, it's Tart. I play Sherm on the show. Here's what I'm looking for from myself in season 2. I want Sherm to show off his culinary skills. He's a great cook. I want him to get a job, but a blue-collar job. Sherm's a blue-collar man. I want him to perhaps meet a celebrity of his choice, maybe Paul George of the LA Clippers or somebody like that. And yeah, that's it. Those are the 3 things that I want. Everything else, do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do.
Knowing season 2, I want more hijinks, I want more love, I want more self-care, and I want more shenanigans. That's probably similar to hijinks, but it's very different.